Hey, look.
Fresh from the farm. Oil farm.
On the sea. Hot.
Look. Ayan o. Ilalagay siya dyan. Namili kami ng isda, fish. From the sea. What is this? Is this shark?
No, ain't a shark.
Wow. Because we're going to make our lunch is yung bang sasabawan ko, sinigang na isda. Gusto niya daw, sinigang na isda. May ulo kami doon. Dadagdagan na lang ng fillet. Fillet or what will take for fillet? Fish fillet. Going to take, I think Solomon is okay for that.
This one piece will take.
Guro ko. Ito yung ginagawa ni Kumera, oh. Paksiw. Rita, sarap din. Subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you again.